Skrill Bank is one of the largest and most popular financial services used on the internet. Skrill enables you to send and receive money with utmost ease, requiring only the email address of the person you are sending funds to. It also enables you to send money via bank transfers to individuals using your credit card. What we, as traders in the Forex market, seek is that Skrill is backed by the majority of Forex trading companies, and in this video, I will delve into a detailed explanation of Skrill's services. But Skrill Bank is a payment platform and digital wallet designed to assist individuals and businesses in sending and receiving funds across more than 40 distinct currencies. Skrill Bank has been known for its security since it was founded in 2001, and the bank's headquarters are in London. Skrill Bank is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, which is considered one of the largest supervisory authorities in the United Kingdom. Skrill provides a diverse range of paid services, money transfers, cryptocurrencies, and gaming. Skrill's fees vary based on the service provided. For instance, when making a deposit, Skrill Bank imposes a 1% fee on any amount you deposit, regardless of whether it's through a bank transfer, Neteller, Visa, or MasterCard. When making a withdrawal, a fee of £4.76 British or €5.50 is charged for every bank transfer you initiate. Additionally, a 7.5% fee applies to any withdrawal processed using a Visa card. However, when utilizing the international transfer service to send funds, Skrill Bank imposes no fees for this transaction, and similarly, no charges are levied upon the recipients. A 2% fee is charged for local money transfer operations. And when transferring money from one Skrill account to another, a fee of 1.45% is applied. A minimum fee of €0.50 will be applied if you fund your digital wallet using a credit card or bank account, yet your Skrill account remains free for personal use. Provided you log in or complete a transaction at least once every 12 months. Otherwise, Skrill Bank will deduct a service fee of €5 or its equivalent from your account each month if the account has been inactive for a full year. When converting currencies within a transaction, Skrill Bank imposes a fee of 3.99% on the exchange rates. Additionally, there is a separate charge for cryptocurrencies. In any case, it's best to keep an eye on the fees page. This ensures you're always informed about any changes to Skrill Bank's service fees. As fees vary from country to country, it is important to review the relevant fees for your specific country on the Skrill website. Navigate to Google Play to download the Skrill app, or simply get it from the App Store. Once opened, this is the interface. From here, you can register a new account or log in. Upon clicking Register, you'll see the available accounts on your device for registration. Alternatively, you have the option to register with a new email address. The required information includes your first and last name, email address, password, country, and the currency to be used. It's best to choose the dollar as your currency after inputting info. Log into your account, and you may be prompted to provide your phone number and verify it by sending a 6-digit number. In the bottom menu, tap Deposit. You'll see deposit options, including credit card and Visa. You can tap Add New Card to add a card, and then input your card's information, including the card number and its expiration date. And CVV, save info and click Continue. When you deposit money using your Visa card, a message will appear informing you that the funds you've deposited using Visa cannot be utilized for trading. Even if you send the balance to someone else, they won't be able to use it for trading either. The only solution is to withdraw the balance using bank cards. You will also be asked if you wish to use this balance for gambling sites, an option under the Send menu. You can send money to another Skrill account by clicking on Skrill to Skrill. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's phone number and the desired amount, and you may also attach a message with your transfer. Additionally, international transfer service for money transfers are available. From Withdraw, you can take out your funds. Usually, there are two methods, Visa and MasterCard, or your bank account, where you specify currency and amount. Withdrawals typically take 2 to 5 days to process. The minimum withdrawal amount is €34 or $40, and there is a commission fee of $5 to $6. And the bank will deduct $10 to $20 from you. Regarding the Visa card, the commission fee is 7%. You might also be asked to activate your account by providing a picture of your personal ID card and a selfie. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.